Dify versus VectorShift versus Flowise. Which is best for your 2025 workflow? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comparison of three popular automation tools for 2025. Dify, VectorShift, and Flowise. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and boost productivity, this video will help you decide which tool is the best fit for you. Let's get started. Dify. Dify is a smart business tool designed to automate repetitive tasks. Its focus is on simplifying workflows and increasing efficiency with minimal effort. Dify is equipped with AI-powered features that help businesses scale, saving both time and money. With a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with popular apps, it's great for entrepreneurs looking for straightforward solutions without the complexity of other tools. VectorShift. VectorShift takes a more advanced approach to task management, with powerful AI at its core. It's tailored for companies that require deeper automation and data analytics. VectorShift offers sophisticated data visualization and reporting features, making it ideal for businesses in sectors where analysis and decision-making are key. With its ability to handle complex data sets, it's great for those who need more than just task automation. Flowise. Flowise is focused on simplifying processes and creating custom workflows through its flexible automation platform. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or customer service, Flowise helps teams stay organized and ensures tasks are executed as planned. One of its standout features is its ability to integrate with multiple third-party apps, which gives you the flexibility to build your ideal workflow from scratch. Conclusion. So, which tool should you choose? Dify is best for those looking for simplicity and ease of use for automating basic tasks. VectorShift is ideal for businesses that need advanced automation and deep analytics. Flowise excels if you're looking for customizable workflows and integrations with other apps. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, and your choice will depend on your specific needs. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.